When you open a bank account, your bank will give you a card like this. It is called a debit card. Different banks have different colored cards. When you ask for a debit card, you will have to choose a number. This is called your PIN number. It is important that you remember your number, as you will need to use it whenever you use your card. It's important to never share your PIN number with anyone. When you go to a store, you can use this card to buy things, and the money gets taken out of your bank account. You can also go to a machine called an ATM to get money out of your bank account. The ATM can also show you how much money you have in your bank account. You can usually find an ATM at a gas station as well as a bank. You may be charged a fee if you do not use your own bank's ATM. This video will show you how to use an ATM. When you arrive at an ATM, check your surroundings to make sure you are safe. Make sure you are in a well-lit area. If possible, use the ATM during the daytime. There is a part of your debit card called a chip. This is what it looks like. Insert your card into the ATM with the chip facing forward. If you've put the card in the right way, you will not see it until you have finished getting your money. If you have put the card in the wrong way, the card will be ejected, and so you just turn it over and try again. The ATM might ask you to pick the language that you speak. There are only a few language choices, and it is quite likely that your language will not be one of them. In this video, we will choose English, like this. The ATM will ask you to enter your PIN number. As you enter your PIN number, make sure to hide the pad with your hand so other people nearby cannot see what you're doing. Once you have entered your PIN number, the ATM will ask you what you want to do. You can choose Fast Cash, Withdraw Cash, or View Account Balance. Money for an ATM usually comes in $10 or $20 bills. If you are asking for a large amount of money, you may get a $100 bill. Withdraw Cash allows you to receive an exact amount of money to withdraw. For example, $30, $70, $150. There is usually a limit on how much money you can take out at any one time over one day. You will never be able to take out more money than you have in your bank account. The ATM might ask you if you want a printed receipt. This shows how much money you have taken out and how much money you have left in your account. Select Yes to obtain a printed copy, or select No if you don't want one. If you wish to know how much money is in your bank account, you may select the Balance Inquiry button on the side of the screen. Balance refers to the amount of money in your bank account right now. Your balance will be displayed on the screen. Some ATMs will end your business as soon as you have received your cash. Other ATMs may require you to hit the red X on the PIN pad or hit a button that says End. Most ATMs will not give you your cash until your card has been removed from the machine. It's easy to forget to take your money, card, or receipt when you're in a hurry. Be sure to grab these and put them away safely before you leave the ATM. If you forget your card, return to the ATM right away to get it. If your card isn't there or has been lost or stolen, go to your bank or call them right away and tell them. The bank will stop the card being used by anyone else right away and give you a new debit card.